Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning viewers. In this set of videos, we will be seeing the impact of the Jupiter transit from the present position of Capricorn to Aquarius and its retrogression from Aquarius back to Capricorn. Jupiter gets its transit on 6th of April 2021 and stays till 15th of September 2021 at Aquarius, and again it retrogrades back on 15th of September and comes back to Capricorn, and it will be there till 20th of November 2021, and there will be a normal transit on 20th November 2021 as usual from Capricorn to Aquarius. So we will be seeing the impact of the Jupiter transit for each and every zodiac sign. Whenever the Jupiter is placed in a particular position, it will have certain effects. Also, the Jupiter aspects the 5th house, 7th house and the 9th house from the position where it is. So all the places where the Jupiter aspects will have a very positive effects. Considering this, many viewers had asked me the impact of the Jupiter's this transit and retrogression effects. I had already consolidated certain videos on the 2020-21 Jupiter transit. If you have not viewed those videos, I have provided the link in the description. You can select it and view all these videos. I had also given some percentage for each and every zodiac sign. So that will have a major effect that has got a consolidated effect of all the transit, keeping into consideration of all the planetary positions. But there are certain viewers, they need to know the impact of the Jupiter's transit at Aquarius separately and its the retrogression effect separately. So that is the purpose I am releasing these videos for each and every zodiac sign with the impact of the transit as well as the retrogression. Now we will see for each and every zodiac sign what would be the effect. Gemini, the third zodiac sign. For Gemini, so far Jupiter is there in the 8th house along with Saturn. Now from 6th of April, Jupiter moves away to the 9th house. Seems to be a positive sign for Gemini. The 10th house lord and the 7th house lord coming to the 9th house seems to be highly positive for them. Those who are doing business, those who are working in a company, this is a good time for them. Those who are doing business, they can find some good projects coming. They can expand their business. The inflow of money will increase. Those who are working in a company, they will get good chances to go abroad. There are small projects. From there they will find some good income also. There are chances for some to get transferred, out of which they will find some good increments. So the movement of Jupiter seems to be highly positive for them. Now from the Aquarius, Jupiter starts aspecting the first house, the zodiac sign itself. So they will get all the health issues will get reduced. They will get rid of the health related problems. This is a basic step when the Jupiter moves to Aquarius. Now Jupiter aspecting the third house, their efforts will turn out to be more successful. They will get good support from their younger and brothers as well as sisters. Now the Jupiter aspecting the 5th house along with Saturn aspecting as a 5th house also, the ill effects of the 5th house get reduced when Jupiter aspecting this house. So children might tend to study properly during this time. There are chances the health of the children will get improved and they will try to show interest in the studies. So these are all the positive effects when Jupiter is moved away from Capricorn to Aquarius. When we see the ill effect, now the Saturn aspecting the 2nd house directly, and now there is no control over there by the Jupiter. So some may find issues in communication. So they should be very much careful while communicating with others. There are chances that in the family life may get some disturbances. So they should be careful in dealing with the people in the family. Now the 12th house Rahu becomes very much powerful because it is out of control of Jupiter. So for some it seems to be highly positive when a person is having a good Rahu Mahadasa or Antartasa running, they may find a very good opportunities. They can even travel abroad for business as well as for workplace, or some students they'll get visa and for a better colleges or schools in foreign countries, that the desired university they may get, so they can go for studies in the desired university. So these are the positive effects when Jupiter moves from Capricorn to Aquarius. Now let us see the impact of the Jupiter's retrogression. When Jupiter retrogrades back on 15th of September to Capricorn, it becomes the 8th house for the zodiac sign Gemini. So it will not do good efforts because the 7th house lord and the 10th house lord being at 8th house seems to be highly negative for them. Already Saturn is there on the 8th house, so they have the impact of the Saturn's effect also. So this time they should be very much careful in the business. They may find some losses in the business. Those who are working in a company, they should be careful in attending to the offices in time. They may find issues with their seniors. So this particular period not so favorable for those who are working as well as doing business. For those who are not married, they may find difficulty in finding a good alliances. Those who are married, there may be chances, they may get into conflict between the partners, life partners. So they should be careful in dealing with the life partners during this time. But when Jupiter aspecting the 12th house as well as the 2nd house, it seems to be highly positive for them because the ill effect of Rahu being controlled. Now the expenses will get reduced during this time. Again, when Jupiter aspecting the 2nd house, the communication seems to be very much better during this time. So those who are working in sales as well as in marketing, they may find some good piece of income during this time. Also those who are Upanishakas, who are doing preachings to others, there are chances they will get good name and fame during this time. When the Jupiter aspecting the 4th house, there are chances some may buy good vehicles, there are chances of purchasing assets, own house for them. All these good things can happen. Some can invest in share market and find marginal profit. The ill effect of the Jupiter's retrogression, the position of the Jupiter as well as the Saturn itself is not so convincing for the zodiac sign Gemini. So 8th house, it's a being a lot of troubles. They have problems in their mind. They don't have a stability in any approach. So they find frequent disturbances. So they don't have strong mind to face with courage. So all don't find a stability in mind during this time. So they can't take decisions properly because in 8th house in Saturn as well as Jupiter are together conjuncted, and they may find issues properly. They may find difficulties in controlling their children. So these are the major ill effects when Jupiter is retrograding back to Capricorn. So for the zodiac sign Gemini, Jupiter's transit to Aquarius seems to be highly positive when compared to the Jupiter's impact of retrogression.